So, yep, it's back recording.
I don't know why it shut off. It may have that timer on like we talked about.
Yep. No, it's still on. It didn't die.
Good.
Looked like full battery about.
We're good shape. Yeah, yours is too. All right, back on the trail. Now you can see the train going down through there. Yeah, I forgot to look at the settings on my GoPro 11 yesterday. I think I have it timed out to stop recording maybe after a half hour. And I got to check those settings to make sure I fix that. Meant to do that yesterday evening and got tied up on some other things. Looks like the water's been up on the trail here a little bit. Another parking area. This is called Rice Fields. I know what this is. Getting a little more water on the trail. I see they got a canoe rental right down here. And a little canoe dock down there for people to get out. It's kind of neat. On your left. Says Danger Dam ahead up here somewhere. I do believe that would be for the boaters going down the river. There's your dam. I know a lot of people fish down here a lot. Boat ramp. Definitely a boat ramp down there.
Seems pretty steep though.
Yeah, it did. I wouldn't want to try to take my truck backing up a boat. Not unless I had four-wheel drive engaged. We've definitely had a good view of the river today. A lot of footage on that. Yeah, I was chatting with e-bike reviews online, and I think he's getting another bike in Sunday, which I'm excited to see his video on that. I can't remember which bike he said he was getting, and he really didn't push very hard to get it. They just emailed him and going to send him a bike, and I'm really glad for him. He does such good reviews on e-bikes, and he's helped me so much on my channel that, again, Richard, my hat's off to you, because you've showed me some little tips that I never even thought about on a influencer channel, shall we say. And like Caleb, he's brought me a long way on YouTube, some of the things we can do, and I appreciate him too. That'd be a nice off-road video.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's private land or not. You want to go see it?
Sure, why not?
Let's turn around. I'm kind of curious where that goes back in there. I guess if we see some no trespassing, we'll know to come the other way. We've seen a couple openings back here in the grass, and we want to do a little bit of...
We got the off-road bikes. So
We got the off-road bikes, and we're going to ride in the grass. Not sure where it goes, but I think it just makes a big circle back into the bike trail. We're going to see where it goes. Yep, the moles have already started. I see all their runs. If you see all those little runs on top of the ground, those are called moles. They are actually an insectivore. They feed on insects. They can channel 2 feet an hour in unearthed soil. And believe it or not, people think grubs is their primary diet. It is not. It's earthworms. 99% of a mole's diet is earthworms. And they have to eat 2.5 times their body weight.
Looks like that goes back to the trail right there.
Let's go see where this goes to the right. This would be a nice place to walk too, Caleb.
Oh yeah. That may have been where that guy came from.
I'm just wondering if that ain't what this is for. Because they got 2 or 3 different areas into this. I like this. I think they're just nice walking trails, all they are. Very nice. Yeah, we have the bikes for this. I believe the EBC bike would do this pretty well too, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
It would handle this. Not so much on the aerial rider.
The bigger wheels may make it smoother too.
Yeah, I agree. Beautiful little grassland right here. I believe they made this for people to walk and walk their dogs back here. This is a nice little area here. Caleb, I like this. What do you think? Left?
Maybe a loop. Yeah, let's go left.
Let's go see where it goes. I'm mainly using throttle through here and doing 20 mile an hour. 19 anyway. We're just kind of follow, see where it goes. There's the bike trail right there.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
It's going left. That is the bike trail. Makes a big loop.
That may be where that, oh, you can see, is that a blue jay there?
See what?
Looks like a blue jay that flew across in front of us there.
I did not see it. That time of year. Love to see robins and everything out here. This is nice.
See, that's, I'd say that's a lot smoother through here, the Cyrusher.
That looks like a little dead end down there by, that ain't the river.
No.
Somebody's big pond or something.
Yeah.
It don't look like it goes too far down there anyway, so we'll just follow this for a while, see where it goes. We know where the bike trail's at anyway. I would have never guessed this was back here.
No.
This is really a nice place to ride.
Still shows a 100% my battery.
Pretty impressive. I'm down to about 69. I've been doing a lot of throttling though. Well, there is the whole field right there. I have never seen any no trespassing signs, either of you. Yeah, that's Dixie Highway down there. I believe this might be one of the water fields stations they have down through here. I think the county probably owns all of this. That's a big piece of property. Yeah, we've already come through there. As you can see, both these bikes handle this really well. We're doing 20 miles an hour on this grass area. Okay, we're probably going to jump back on the bike trail up here. I think it's left right here. We might be able to get back on the trail. Or does that take us right back where we were? Bike trail should be the right up there somewhere. There's the bike trail. I think this is where we come off of it, wasn't it?
If we went right at that little fork, I'm pretty sure that this is where it goes out.
I think you're right.
Yep.
Because I think this is somewhere through here is where we come on. To the grass. Nice. Well, we know where this is at now. How about that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. On your left. Okay, we're going to continue on down the trail here, heading towards Franklin, Ohio. We're not far from here, a couple miles maybe. Yeah, that was a nice little grass area. Tell me what you guys think about that for off-road bike riding. Again, with these fat tires, these 4-inch fat tires, that was very easy to go through. That's what these bikes are made for. More for off-roading than anything. Yeah, about another 2.4 miles is what we're going to go. And we'll turn around. Yeah, it is. Very nice. That's a cool looking wall, actually. Though you can see the steel going through it when they built it. As you can see, it's starting to deteriorate quite a bit. We could just take a hop right in the river there. See where the river had all this flooded. Slipping in the mud back there. Very nice down through here. I'm glad we come down here today. We got about another little less than 2 miles to go. Alright. We're going to stop in Franklin and turn around. Still at 100%?
Yeah. Jumped down to 75 from a voltage drop on some of the hills, but that's it.
Yeah, it would be good going back in. Yeah, we've really had some good scenery today. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Like I said, I won't be riding tomorrow anyway. We got several videos coming out tomorrow. Yeah. We got 2 or 3 in the morning and a couple tomorrow afternoon at 5 o'clock. I usually release my videos on 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. for you guys. So you'll know, if you want to hit the bell notification, you'll know when our videos are coming out. And again, we're going to be doing some sit-down interviewing before too long on new bikes that have come out. We're going to do some safety videos.
Yeah. Really nice through here.
Oh, it is. It's beautiful. Especially when the spring starts. There's Route 123, that goes right into Franklin. Yeah, this trail pretty much goes right along Great Miami River. Okay, we're going to come up about those buildings up there, and we'll probably be turning around from there. This trail goes all the way down into Cincinnati area if you keep going south, so it goes a long way. We are now in Franklin, Ohio. Alrighty, we're probably going to stop the video right up here. Now we're in Franklin. You ever been down here before?
No, haven't actually.
They got a really good meat market across the street over there called Zink's Meat Market. It's up another block. Really good meats. But yeah, this is Franklin, Ohio, and I was telling on the video, this just keeps going south down through Middletown, on down into Cincinnati.
Yeah.
If you keep on going south, that's where it's going. So, any thoughts, Caleb, on the bike ride, what we did?
Well, this thing's handling it great.
What do you think of that grass area?
Yeah, had to stand up a little bit on some of the bigger bumps.
That's right, no suspension in the back.
Yep.
But Zota still shooting about 75%.
Yep.
On the battery. So I think we've come probably, let me get my Strava app out. I know I didn't start it for like 2.5 to 3 miles. Let's see what my Strava app is showing right now. It is showing, get my gloves off here. Strava shows we've come 9.88 miles.
So probably around 11, 12?
At least.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're 9.88 on the app. We didn't start it for a couple miles. So I think it's far enough, especially without an extra battery for that.
Yeah.
But we feel very comfortable with this battery that we're going to do 25 miles without a problem.
Yeah.
We might switch bikes here to get some lesser weight on the bike again. We're going to change the batteries out on the Cyrusher. Of course, I do not have an extra battery for this. I am going to purchase that very soon. So that way we can just take extended rides.
Yeah.
So Caleb's going to jump over here on the Cyrusher after we change the battery. So we're going to go ahead and check out right now. So if you guys like the video, hit the like button or the like bell, whatever it's called, and share the video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you